Flamenco track. Let's go. This is the end. Inhale and relax your head. Circle. Come back. One more time. And relax. Okay, adductor stretch very slow. Hold on. 4, 3, 2, turn down. Extend your leg, your back leg. 4, 3, 2, go. And up. 4, 3, 2, dorsal stretch. Very good. 4, 3, 2, 1, slowly. And choreography, chest, chest, chest up, circular hands, cha-cha-cha, with claps. Again, chest, chest up, circular hands and claps, with cha-cha. 3 lunges to the front with circles, and back with lunges and chest. And front and back, from the top. Yes, circular hands and cha-cha. Again, chest, chest up. Yes. 3 lashes to the front, circle, circle. And back, and use your head at the end with a punch. Front. The other side, slowly. Stretch your adductor. Good. Stay there. 4, 3, 2, turn and down. 4, 3, 2, flex. Go up. Yes. Extend both legs. And now, dorsal stretch. Open. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Chest, go. Chest, chest up. Circle, cha-cha. And claps, of course. Again, repeat the same. Come forward with lunge. Lunge, 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 and back. With lunge, 3. Front and back. Again, chest. Yes, cha-cha with claps. Very good. Go. Come forward. Very good. Lunge back. Front and back. And twist. Turn. Very good. Grab your hand and feet together. The other side. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Push to the front. Push. Open. Up. And down. Again. Push. Open. Up. 2 more times. Push. Open. Last time. And be ready to make the whole choreography again. Are you ready? Claps. Up. Circular hands. Very good. Chest, chest up. Circle. Come forward. Lunge. Lunge. Lunge and back with lunges. 3 and 3. Remember that. Come on. Again. You got it. This is mix 77. Very good. Enjoy the music. Give me 3. Come forward. And backward. Front and back. Last time for everybody. Come on. Chest, chest up. Circle. Yes. Very good. Come on. Enjoy the music. This is the end. Front. Open and circle. Good job.